Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones for your phone. You go to www.mixer.com, myxer.com. It's up at the top. Then you go to sign up, but I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. There, signed in. And then it shows you what's popular right here. See, I'm gonna download the Barack Obama ringtone just for fun. Let's see if this is the one I want. Yeah, that's the one I want. So I'm gonna put send to phone. Then you press download ringtone. Press open. Done. Then press save. Save. Okay, now download's complete. Then you copy the seventh the your phone, and then you minimize this. It'll say Barack Obama ringtone right here. Press 2. Send to mail recipient. But it'll take a minute. One second, guys. There we go. And you're gonna put 2. You're gonna paste it on there. Then you press send, and it'll send it right to your phone. And then when it goes onto your phone, you just press save. Press save the ringtone, and there you go. And then when you're done, when you don't want that, you just press delete, and it'll delete it. Thanks for watching. Bye.